Hi, I'm Aaron Dowd with Archer Services, and I'm here today to talk to you about landscape stone borders. This particular stone borders are silver mist variety, so it's a silverish in color. We also have browns, earth tones in color as well too. But we love the darker colors because they tend not to get as dirty. We definitely like to try to stay away from whites and cream colors here in the Houston area because there's so much mold and algae buildup that if you use any of those colors, they tend to look very dirty quickly. So in the drier climates, I know that they can use those lighter colors, but here in Houston, it's just not the best climate for that. So this stone border, we use a compacted earth foundation on this one here, so it makes it very inexpensive to put in. So essentially when we're done excavating, we level out the ground, the foundation around it, and then we'll actually do a quick compaction and we'll make sure that this is level, and then we'll lay down. Now, if you notice here, these are very smooth on the top and on the bottom. These are saw cut. Each one of these pieces are saw cut at a factory, so they sit real nice. These are meant to be in your landscape, and they're meant to be for very low maintenance and sustainable landscape. So they sit very nicely together, and then you get the texture on the front of the stone here. The silver tends to be very uniform in color. The browns can add a lot of variety from a light tan all the way up to a very dark brown, so you have some variety as far as that goes. You can adhere them together if you absolutely want to, but it makes it very difficult to maintain them over a long period of time. It should reduce your initial maintenance, but if they're adhered together, the adhesion that we use is so strong that it'll actually break the stone if you ever try to move it apart. So we actually recommend, this here has been in the ground almost 2 years and I've done zero maintenance to it. I edge right up against it, weed eat, mow it, all that stuff. The kids play in the backyard. I haven't had to do anything with these stones at all. They're sitting loose, but they're so heavy that they're hard to move. So that's what makes them stay in place so well, and the fact that they're cut on the top and the bottom. So I hope you enjoy it. It's a great way to add some excitement to your yard. It's a great way to add and elevate your beds for better drainage, and so we can add more soils into our Houston landscapes. We just absolutely love doing this bed border. So thank you. Do something exciting in your landscape today. Thank you.